Once upon a time, in the heart of a small town nestled between rolling hills and lush green fields, stood a quaint little school called Sunnydale School. With its bright red bricks and cheerful playground, it was a place where laughter filled the air and learning felt like an adventure. One bright Monday morning, as the school bell rang, signaling the start of another exciting day, a boy named Sam sat in Mrs. Thompson's fifth grade class. With his curly mop of hair and mischievous sparkle in his eyes, Sam was known for his endless curiosity and wild imagination. Just as Mrs. Thompson began her lesson on geography, Sam's mind wandered to the upcoming school fair, the talk of the town. Every year, Sunnydale School held a grand fair to raise funds for charity, and this year promised to be the biggest one yet. Class, Mrs. Thompson announced, interrupting Sam's daydream. I have exciting news. This year, we'll be organizing the biggest school fair ever, and I want each of you to come up with fun ideas for stalls and games. Sam's eyes lit up. This was his moment to shine. With a burst of enthusiasm, the class began brainstorming. Sam suggested everything from a dunk tank to a petting zoo. His creativity amazed his classmates, and soon ideas were pouring in. After much planning, the class settled on a theme: a day at the carnival. There would be game stalls, food booths, a talent show, and even a fortune-telling tent. The excitement was contagious. Over the next few weeks, the school buzzed with energy. Students and teachers worked tirelessly, painting signs, building booths, and rehearsing performances. Sam threw himself into the preparations, designing games and helping wherever he could. Finally, the big day arrived. The sun shone brightly as families and friends poured into the school grounds, eager to experience the magic of the carnival. Sam's game stall, the Royal Ring Toss, became the star attraction. With bright prizes and tricky rings, kids lined up, tickets in hand, ready to test their skills. Sam grinned from ear to ear, cheering on every player with infectious enthusiasm. On the talent show stage, music and laughter filled the air. Students sang, danced, performed magic tricks, and even juggled. Parents clapped and cheered, capturing memories on their phones, while the sound of merry-go-round music blended with laughter and the clinking of coins. As the sun set, painting the sky golden, the last visitors waved goodbye and the stalls were packed away. Sam stood quietly, a feeling of pride washing over him. The fair had raised more money than ever before for charity, but more importantly, it had brought the whole community together in a way no one expected. As Sam walked home hand in hand with his friends, he knew that no matter where life took him, he would always cherish the sunny days and carnival dreams of Sunnydale School. Thanks for watching this heartwarming story. If you enjoyed this story and want more fun, inspiring tales just like this, don't forget to like, share, and most importantly, subscribe. Tap the bell so you never miss a magical moment.